This shadow black HP Pavilion gaming laptop is meant for gamers on the move, weighing only 2.17 kilograms. Powered by the 9th Gen Intel Core i5-9300H processor, this laptop allows you to play demanding games without slowing down. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready for use. The laptop features an 8 GB DDR4 RAM with 4 GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GDDR5 Dedicated Graphics, which makes it ideal for heavy gaming and graphics editing. The HP laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your games, videos, movies and photos. It also comes with M.2 Slot that allows you to upgrade from a traditional hard drive to SSD storage. The laptop comes with lithium-ion polymer battery that supports fast charge. The HP Pavilion laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD SVA WLED-backlit display with anti-glare technology that produces bright and sharp colors with detailed images, providing an immersive gaming and streaming experience. It comes with Bang & Olufsen audio and dual speakers for an immersive sound experience. The laptop comes with a full-sized island-styled acid green backlit keyboard that makes it suitable for gaming even in the dark. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI port, 1 RJ45 port, and 1 audio out port for easy connectivity. This laptop comes with charger included in the box. This HP Pavilion gaming laptop